Hi guys, welcome to today's video. It's your boy Etiforex, your favorite mentor. Okay, so you can see what's the time now. This is 5:48 here in Nigeria, and I've dropped about 3 signals already, and all running good profits. Okay, so I think I love teaching people. I love mentoring people. I prefer mentoring people to give a signal. Okay, I prefer that to signal because I think signal is something I tomorrow one of two things might happen. You might misplace your phone, you might lose my contact, or I might feel I don't feel comfortable any longer to provide signals. Yeah, or maybe yeah, then I can stop giving signal. Okay, I can stop giving signal and it will affect you. But I think if I can give you the knowledge I have, I share it with you, I share my top secret with you, that's gonna help you more and how to grow. Okay, so today I want to show you guys what are the things I look out before taking trades. Okay, if I take any trade. Okay, so if you're new on our channel, can you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and join my free Telegram channel. Okay, chat me all people want mentorship. Chat me up my WhatsApp and Telegram. And if you want VIP signals, chat me up as well. I'll do that for you. Okay, I'm always there. Okay, so I'll show you the three pays I've worked on today. The three assets I've worked on today. I've provided signals on today for you guys to see why I gave those three signals. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Yeah, so the first thing that I dropped this morning by 1 a.m., a few minutes past 1 a.m., that was, this is the first thing that was VIX1 is, yeah, which is, yeah, you can see VIX1 is here. Okay, so I dropped the signal. This was our entry here. As you can see, this is our entry, and this is our SL level here. Yeah, stop loss level, and these are take profits. These are our targets. This way we are targeting this price to drop to. Okay, so now, and you also I also gave signal on 51s, and I've told them to close already because I saw the reversal and I knew it will be dropping, it will be reversing. Okay, it will be pushing back to our entry, though I'm still expecting price to drop again. And also VIX75. VIX75, I just gave VIX75. I'm not afraid of VIX75 because I know it will drop somewhere here and start going down again into good profits, right? Okay, so let me show you guys, quickly show you guys why I gave the signal. Okay, why I give those signals, okay? Why I give those signals, okay? Yeah. Let's move to a higher time frame, like the 4 hours time frame. So I love telling you guys to learn price action instead of just indicator strategies. I'm not saying strategies, those indicator strategies are not working. Yeah, they are working, but I think you need more, like you need to understand why price is going up or down. Yeah, why you are having why price is reacting at some levels. When it gets to some level, why price are reacting, why you need to know if price going to reverse from down to up and stuff like that. Okay, you know, indicators can never tell you that. Okay, indicators will just tell you, they just give order, and sometimes market change, and it's hard for you to know where the market is actually going, the price is actually going, right? So, but with price action, you'll be able to tell where the market is going. If you look higher time frame, go to higher time frame, you'll be able to see where the price is going, right? But if you are not, yeah, you are not trading price action, it's be hard for you to know where the price is actually going. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I normally look out, or my reasons for taking trades. Okay, so for the VIX 100, VIX 101 is, you see, this is 4 hours time frame, 4 hours time frame here, and this is a downtrend. You can see this is a downtrend. Even a child sees this is a downtrend. Yeah. So for that, I know price will be pushing down because I know a lot of people are seeing sell, and you know when you have a lot of people selling, yeah, then you sell, the price will be tracking, sellers will be tracking the price down. But when you have a lot of buyers and you're selling, trust me, those buyers will track the price to their own side, right? So when I saw this sell, and I made my decision that I'll be selling from that moment, right? I'll be selling, right? So I'll be selling. Now, yeah, look at this right now. This is, if you know your Elliott wave, if you know your Elliott wave, if you know your Elliott's wave, and we have something like a trend like this, we have a trend like this, price is running that channel. And if you know your Elliott's wave, you have the wave 1 here, you have the wave 2 here, and we have the wave 3. The wave 3 must reach this level. Let me not say it must, because this is um, um forex market that, you know, anything can happen anytime. Okay, here anything can happen anytime at all. It's probability, right? So but I strongly believe it will get to this level, it will drop to this level, because the wave 3 is always longer, it's always the longest wave. Okay, the wave 3 is always the longest wave, so it will get to this level to create the wave 4. Yeah, so since I didn't know this, I didn't notice this right from this level here, so I decided to take my entry, open my entry here, then write the trend down to this level here. I don't want to be greedy. I don't want to wait to price get to this level, right? Because once it gets closer to this level, it start reacting. So you might stop somewhere halfway and start pushing up again, right? So that's why I'm taking my TP here. My TP is right here, so that when price comes there, it will hit my TP and close with good profits, right? So that's for VIX 10-1 is. And let me check on the lower time frame so that I can still explain more. Okay. So on a lower time frame, you see price was ranging around this level. So I waited for price to break this level. Though I sold at this level yesterday, I gave this sell signal yesterday from here to this level here, and price pushed up. My TP was somewhere here, but price did not respect that. Price pushed up here, so we closed with some profits though. Yeah. Then I didn't see this. I just woke up this morning to see price has broken this range here to the downside. So that tells me price is going down again, right? So I quickly gave them the sell signal. Yeah. And what I'm saying here, I think price might push up again. Sorry, price might push up again to this level. I'm expecting price to do something like this. Something like this. Then drop back to our TP. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting to see markets to do. Okay, that's what I'm expecting for VIX 10-1 is. That's what I'm expecting, because you can see here we moved to 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, on the 30 minutes time frame, there's an order block here, an order block here. So I'm expecting price to respect the order block and drop somewhere there, right? Somewhere there, right? Drop back to our TP level. Then for 51s. 51s has almost the same structure with VIX 10-1s. Price was kind of ranging, not really ranging. Then breaks this level here, then went up here, retest. Trust me, you must always wait for retest. If you wait for retest, you'll be a good trader. Trust me. If you always wait for retest, you make good profits. So waiting for the retest. After the retest, price printed this bearish candlestick with long tail rejection. Then I open a position here, write the trend down. Okay, so it's almost the same thing. You see, it's a downtrend. You must always follow the trend, right? You must always follow the trend. So that one is very simple. We open a sell position at that level, price dropped, right? And VIX75, this is VIX75, the same structure. You know, after the breakout, a retest, then I open the position, I give the signal, I'll be ready with the least lot size like 0.00 8. We've made about $100 from here, from this entry down to this level already. So that's it, guys. So what I was looking at was just on the higher time frame. Yeah, on the higher time frame, you see this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend, right? This is a downtrend, guys. So that tells me this is a downtrend. The pressure will be going down. You see, when price is going up, you see we have more of green candles, and when it's coming down, you have more of red candles, right? So this is a downtrend, this is a strong downtrend. So I quickly take advantage of that because price will be dropping back to maybe this level somewhere here. So I place my TP above that level so that in case price wants to react while I'm sleeping. Okay, so it's that simple. And another thing you need to notice here, we have a head and shoulder. We have a head and shoulder pattern. Sorry, on the 4 hours. We have head and shoulder chart pattern. We have this the head here. This is the left shoulder, and this is the right shoulder. Yeah, so it has broken that level. But one thing I could not wait for was a retest, because after that level, after that, price normally comes back to retest that level, right? Price comes back to retest this level. Normally it's supposed to come back to retest this the neckline before dropping again. So I could not wait for that because I know this is strong downtrend, right? So we've made our profit. Where if price decide to go up to that level, then we close with some profits. If we hit that level and we see some sort of rejections, we sell again. We're gonna write it down to our TP level. Yeah, so we make good profits, and we stay in profits all day. Okay, so you see this is a free channel and this is a VIP channel. Okay, so nothing much, right? So I'll advise you guys to learn price action. Let me be your mentor today. Trust me, I'll give you my very best. I'll teach you everything you need to know about trading. Okay, that'll be all for now, guys. Love you. Bye bye.